it to the Venetian to check out all the stuff they have there. New York cabs, they ain't got nothing on these Las Vegas cab drivers. I'm telling you right now, they get you to places. Okay, so yeah, we got a ton of meetings today. I think I'm going to break up all of my videos into smaller videos because I have so many people to meet, and it'll make my workflow a lot easier. So, Davis Daily, let's get busy.
So basically, we're Rollispur. We are a company based in Switzerland. We call ourselves the Life Hackers Company because we try to invent products that are kind of life hacks, so they simplify your daily life.
Okay.
Here's kind of our journey has been since when we founded the company. It was me and my brother who founded the company in 2014. We're entirely bootstrapped, so we started with crowdfunding, and we kind of have this over the years we've perfectionized our crowdfunding method.
Okay.
So we launched the first product back in 2014, and we are one of the largest crowdfunding ventures around the world, having launched 15 crowdfunding campaigns.
Would you do it on Indiegogo or?
We did both. So we started a lot with Indiegogo, and then we moved out recently to just Kickstarter.
Okay.
Recently. So I'll show you kind of our latest products, and these are one of our best sellers. We are what our started our company. Basically, this is InCharge X. It's called InCharge X, and it's a very handy piece of kit. So basically, it's a 100-watt keyring cable that you can snap on your keys with magnets like this, and it's universal, so you can open it up. You have a cord that is C2C, and then you can create 6 charging combinations. So you can go from USB-A to USB-C to C2C, USB-A to Lightning and micro USB.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, and this charges up to 100 watts, so you can potentially also use it to charge your MacBook, even though the size.
What MacBook? I have a MacBook. I got a Surface.
Surface as well. Yeah, Surface as well. And then here's kind of like the longer brother of it, or the XL, because it's different lengths. So you have a 1 foot, which is pretty convenient to use it side of your Surface.
Yeah.
And we have 10 foot and 6 foot.
So this is cool because there's always those times where I'm like, oh my God, I left my cable at home.
Yeah, exactly.
But I have my keys.
This is emergency.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay.
Yeah,
all right, I'm liking what I see so far.
And so this one also comes with 2 accessories. One is this magnetic dock, so it doesn't fall on the ground. You can store it on your desk, so it doesn't fall. And the other accessory is not out yet. It's like a silicone pouch. We'll show it later. Tau 2 is the second generation of Tau. Tau is what we conceive to be the emergency power bank. Okay. So when we designed this, we tried to make it like effortless, because you know how emergency power banks are not really being used. Right. Because you need to remember to plug it in and charge it. Right. But you really don't want to do the effort for such a small battery pack, right? So we designed this magnetic method so that every time you come back home, you simply set down your keys, always at the same place. And so when you get out of your house and you grab your keys, this power bank is always fully charged. Yeah, so you don't need to remember to plug it in. It just comes out automatically.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. And then you also don't need to remember to bring the cables across, because you can just pop this up and you have integrated cables for all devices, so Android and iPhone as well. Okay. And this one also comes with the integrated NFC chip inside, so you can use it for shortcuts, so smart actions, or you can also use our software, which is kind of like Opal, and you can share your digital business card with others, always on your keys. Over here we have kind of like more basic essentials. We call it essentials line. So it's nothing, you know, special about them. It's just high level quality and design. But other than that, is they're pretty basic products. Let's say, right? So we have this, you know, MagSafe car mounts, which are pretty basic but minimalistic as well. We have these travel adapters. This one is pretty compact. It's a super compact travel adapter that works with all countries, and it's pretty convenient because of its size. So you can put it in your pocket and compare it, you know, to the bigger ones. Then we have gun chargers. Over here we have our trackers. So all of our trackers right now are compatible with Apple Find My. I'll show you the AirCard E. This one is so it works with Apple Find My, and it's with replaceable batteries. So you can pop it open like this and change the batteries once they die. And it's card shaped, so obviously it's for wallets and places where basically the AirTag doesn't fit. Then we have AirThingy Pro, which we still haven't launched. So it's a new, like, it's a rugged tracker, which is made of CNC aluminum. It features two very loud speakers, so it's a bi-directional sound. It's super powerful. It's about 50% louder than Apple AirTag. But it also works from both sides. And
so it's for people like me who forget stuff all the time.
Yeah, exactly. And then it has two batteries inside, so the battery life is 20 months, and then you can simply swap.
Does it use both batteries at the same time, or does one kick in after one dies?
They die at the same time. And then over here we have an AirCard. So this one is it's also a very thin tracker that works with Apple Find My. It features as well an NFC, QR code and an NFC chip, so you can also use it to share your digital business card. Yeah, so it works for both things.
Now, do you have any plans to making those work with Android?
Yeah, it's over here.
It's over here.
This one is the AirCard that will work with the Google Find My device network. So we're working on it still. I still haven't launched the.
That's Google good that you're doing it though,
network. But yeah, we're doing it. So it's gonna be this more whitey color. Compared to this one, which was the Apple one, which is black.
You should go green like the Google Android.
Yeah.
I'm giving you ideas.
We're still designing.
I'm giving you ideas.
Good idea, And then over here we have iPhone Aria, which we just launched this year. These are open acoustic earbuds. So when you wear them, you can still hear your surroundings. It doesn't have the pass-through function. It's just like natural audio. It's this air conduction technology gives your ears a better health conditions, because it doesn't obstruct your ear canal, and the sound waves propagate through the air. It's a more natural way to listen to music, and it doesn't damage your eardrums on the long run.
Well, you guys have come a long way since you started.
This is actually our third generation of earbuds. So we've done, as you can see here, we started back in 2018, and then we've done the iPhone 2 in 2020, and now the iPhone Arias are over here. 2023. Edge Pro is a modular ecosystem. It's composed of three main parts, which are the core, the wireless charger, and the light. By combining these three things together, they combine all with magnets, very powerful magnets. They are MagSafe compatible, so you don't need to stick anything in the back of your phone if you have an iPhone. If you have an Android, there are included the small rings. And basically you can create all sorts of different configurations. So you can extend your screen like that. You can attach an iPad.
That's
like
pretty cool.
You can use the light when you do Zoom calls.
Are you kidding me?
Light. So you can, you are well briefed.
And then your phone.
And then your phone next to your screen, exactly.
You can build your own command center.
Yeah, exactly. And then you can also use it as a stand, as a portable stand. or you can attach your, while you're using your tablet, you can attach your phone like that.
That is too cool.
Simple as that.
If you use your tablet in your car,
yeah,
set up your phone next to
if
your
you have
tablet.
like a Tesla, you can attach it
Right.
like on the side of your
That's pretty
screen,
cool.
and so on. And you can also create a modular stuff by combining 2 cores together, or more than 2. You could create, for example, a charging station. If you put like the wireless chargers here, and then you can just put your phone there and charge.
Okay, that's
so
impressive.
It's very modular.
That is impressive. Okay.
And then the last product we are working on, we still haven't launched. It's a universal, we call it wireless. It's not really wireless charging, it's like more conductive wireless charging.
Right.
Because you still need to plug something in. But because obviously all the laptops and MacBooks don't have the wireless coil, so we cannot do it. But it's basically a way to charge your MacBook or any kind of laptop by simply dropping it there.
Oh, look at
and
that.
It will charge.
Okay.
So you don't need to plug in the cable, right? So if you move from one room to the other in the office, you go to the conference room, you don't need to take all the things with you. You just have this little thing,
And you're connecting through the Thunderbolt port?
through the USB-C.
Oh, that's ingenious.
This one actually is not set up yet because we're still setting up the booth. But basically this will be attached to it.
That's how you make it universal.
And that's how you make it universal. So it's gonna charge at 100 watts, and it's PD, so it works with any kind of Lenovo or any Windows or Mac.
That's incredible. Well, I'm impressed.
Thank you.
I'm impressed, especially this little thing you got here.
That's
so when's this available?
This is already available.
Oh, that's already out.
That is. Sell it on Amazon.
How come nobody's talking about this? I did not know this existed until this show.
Actually, it's selling very well.
It's really, really cool.
Also, we're really happy with how it came out in terms of build quality.
Right.
Because you can really feel you can feel CNC aluminum. The hinge it's being calibrated so that it's not too stiff and not too loose. Not too loose, and it will not lose the force over time. And also it's you can just fold it like that and carry it just like
That's nice.
a pop socket. And then, like, for example, when I was on the plane, I just I pop it on like this with MagSafe, and you put your phone on the seat in front of you right there.
There you go.
Or the tablet as well, and it's just so convenient.
That's cool.
To have it, and also for creators, if you think you can do all sorts of configurations. So you can
video light.
Yeah, lights. You can just flip it like that and film. It's super modular.
That's amazing. Okay, I'm impressed. I am impressed. Thanks. That right there, that is cool. All right, cool.